Hi, I'm Maureen Murphy-Tadaro, and welcome to Supercharged Product Marketing with Analyst Relations. I'm so excited for you to start this course. So here's a quick introduction to the perception of analyst relations. You have your executives that think we'll just tell analysts what we know. We know this market better than anybody else. And once we tell them what we know and we pay them enough, they'll just follow our lead and write about us and recommend us. Then you have your product marketers who are so excited about their products that they just evangelize them and, again, figure that the analysts don't need to look any further than the product that they have. Then you have the analysts with their actual job is covering the entire market, assessing, kind of filtering through what it is that you told them and what the other vendors are saying and what customers are saying, what partners are saying, and doing an analysis on the market to make good recommendations to buyers and also to help vendors make good decisions on their strategy and improve their products. So at the end of the day, I hope that you take away that analysts actually really know what they're talking about when they do their job well. And they can help you tremendously in honing your strategy and bringing your products to market. So why should you even care about this? 92% of B2B buyers say that analyst reviews and reports impact their purchases. And over 80% of buyers cite analyst reports and private analyst consultations as one of the top drivers in their purchasing decisions. So again, this is Supercharged Product Marketing with AR. And here's the journey of the course. So we're going to go through this journey of understanding AR's role in product marketing, how you would evaluate the firms and the analysts for their fit with your product marketing program, also creating those relationships, developing those relationships. Then we'll continue on with leveraging AR deliverables, influencing internal thinking. We'll also go through benchmarking and how to report on the progress that you're making and the impact that you're having on your organization. Finally, we'll talk about elevating your program to a top tier program and going through the professional organizations and external resources that can help you really take your program to the next level. So here's another really important point and why a lot of companies engage analysts is they provide third-party perspective and key insights. It's a validation of your strategy that you can't provide yourself because as you pitch your company, others hearing that will always discount it a bit because they know that you're working there. That's what you're trying to pitch and sell. Analysts provide that third-party perspective and independence. Okay, so what is AR's role in product marketing? This is going to level set how you would use AR in product marketing and what its role is. Our objectives are understanding where AR fits in product marketing and applying that to your unique program. So product marketing has one of the most interesting charges in an organization. You lead the go-to-market strategy, you're positioning your product, you're coming up with messaging, you're doing a lot of the competitive intelligence to make sure that you're competitively positioning your product, pricing your product aggressively so that you are competing again effectively. You're also aligning sales and marketing, you're leading product enablement, and you're also working with your customer service team on customer journey mapping. And analysts can help with all of this. So analysts provide that essential outside-in view to help you with your positioning because they're studying all day long what's going on with the competitors, what's going on in the market, what the customer needs are. They're also familiar with the adjacent technologies in your market to know how those partnerships can work effectively. They can help you with all aspects of your program, including the customer journey mapping. They produce reports in all of these areas. Some of them would be advisories to you in your job. Some of it is to help buyers make a buying decision. So exactly how do analysts help? They help you have that outside-in perspective through the research and reports they're doing. They do studies from the high level of the total addressable market and understanding how big the opportunity is and where you sit in the market, so how much of that market you stand to capture. They can help you with your positioning, your benchmarking, your messaging. They will review your messaging and help you hone in on the messages that will really reach your market and your customers. They help with pretty much every aspect of product marketing. So just ask your AR leader with whatever challenges that you're having, and it's almost certain that an analyst firm will be able to help you with answering those questions and ramping up your strategy. So here's an assignment. I've prepared a rubric of applying your questions and your weaknesses to how analyst relations can help you. And if you use this and just regularly jot down problems that you're having or questions that you have either about the market or your product or your competitors, put that in this rubric and you can start to map toward where the analysts can help you. So a quick recap of this lesson. Use AR like a service. They're here to help you do your job better, more effectively, more efficiently, more expertly. And if you use them as a service, you can think about them for anything from your messaging to taking a product to market through a new launch and having a complete launch campaign. You can periodically write down your questions and consider having a more in-depth engagement with analysts. And we'll get into more of that later, of what your options are for engaging the analysts.